First, click the Start menu. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click Microphone. Turn on microphone access. Scroll down and make sure Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is also turned on. Check that Zoom is allowed to use your microphone. Now, close Settings. Open the Zoom app. If you're already in a meeting, leave the meeting. Start a new meeting or join the meeting again. When Zoom asks, click Join with Computer Audio. Check the microphone icon. If there is no red line on the microphone icon, your microphone is working properly. That's it. This is how you can fix the microphone not working problem in Zoom on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.